Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Science and Math Nepal. Here we are discussing about the invertebrates. We discussed about invertebrates in first lecture as well. In the second lecture, we are going to discuss about the definition, features, and examples of 9 phylums of invertebrates. We can also read about these invertebrates in grade 9. Okay, let's see what we learned previously. Previously, we learned about the definitions of invertebrates. What are invertebrates? Invertebrates are those animals which do not have backbone in their body. The examples of invertebrates are amoeba, hydra, octopus, butterfly, crab, scorpion, etc. The silent features of invertebrates are invertebrates do not have backbone in their body. They may be unicellular or multicellular. They do not have developed body systems and organs. Some invertebrates have outer skeleton or hard protective covering. These are some of the important silent traits of invertebrates. There are many other features of invertebrates that we can observe in any kind of the invertebrates. We also learned that total invertebrates can be classified into 9 phyla. The total 9 phylums: phylum Protozoa, phylum Porifera, phylum Coleoptrata, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Nemathelminthes, phylum Annelida, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mollusca, and phylum Echinodermata. Okay, this is what we learned previously. Today in the second lecture, we are going to learn about the definition, features, and examples of 9 phylums of invertebrates. So let us start with the first phylum, that is phylum Protozoa. Let's see what is phylum Protozoa. Phylum Protozoa is a group of primitive animals which are unicellular, eukaryotic, and microscopic in nature. Okay, those animals which comes under phylum Protozoa are also known as protozoans. Some of the examples of the animals that comes under phylum Protozoa are Euglena, Plasmodium, Amoeba, Paramecium, etc. There are other so many examples of phylum Protozoa. Now let's see the silent features of Protozoa. Okay, some of the features of Protozoa are: number one, the animals of phylum Protozoa are found in air, water, soil, and inside of other organisms. Now, those animals which live inside the body of other animals and absorb their food are called endoparasites. Okay. Now, those protozoans, every protozoans do not live inside the body of other organisms, but some of the protozoans they live inside the body of other animals and absorb their food. They are called endoparasite. Number two, they cause different diseases to plants and animals. Similarly, number three, they breathe through general body surface and reproduce by fission. Okay, yeah. Fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which one organism divides into two or more new organisms. Yeah, asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction which do not require the fusion of male and female gametes. A single body is capable of reproducing the new young ones. Okay. There are different types of asexual reproduction, among them fission is one of the types. Okay. Now let's see the second phylum, phylum Porifera. What is phylum Porifera? Okay. The phylum Porifera is a group of multicellular and marine invertebrate animals which have numerous pores, ostia, in their body. Some of the examples of Porifera are Cycon, Euspongia, Spongilla, etc. The silent features of phylum Porifera are: number one, these animals are known as sponges. Okay, these animals or the animals which comes under phylum Porifera, they are known as sponges. Similarly, number two, they cannot move and remain attached with different substratum like rock cells, etc. Okay. Likewise, the plants grow on a land or tree or on the rocks. These animals which comes under phylum Porifera also are attached to rocks cells which are called substratum. They cannot move from one place to another in the entire life. Okay. Number three, they respire through general body surface. And number four, they do not have well developed organs and systems. Okay, these are some of the important features of phylum Porifera. Now let's go to the third one, phylum Coelenterata. What is phylum Coelenterata? Phylum Coelenterata is a group of invertebrate animals which have a large hollow cavity, also known as coelentron, in the body. Some of the examples of animals that comes under phylum Coelenterata are hydra, sea anemone, corals, etc. Features of Coelenterata are they have a mouth surrounded by tentacles. Here, tentacles are the long visible organs which are used in locomotion and to catch prey. Likewise, um, the tentacles of snail, the animals that comes under phylum Coelenterata also has tentacles. Okay, these tentacles are used in locomotion, means in moving from one place to another, and to catch prey, means to kill their food, to catch their food. Number 2, these animals are found in seawater and freshwater. Number 3, they breathe through general body surface and they produce by budding and regeneration. Here, budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which a small bud develops in the parent body, and regeneration is also a type of asexual reproduction which some organisms replace or restore lost or amputated body parts. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. We'll discuss about the definitions, features, and examples of remaining phylums of invertebrates in our next video. If you have any confusions regarding this, you can comment. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and press notification button to get more videos like this.